Hello everyone, in this word tutorial I will show you how to type handwriting symbol in MS Word. So for this you need to press Alt key and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 3 times 9 and then 7 and release the Alt key. And here handwriting symbol is inserted. Select it, make it bigger as per your choice. Another way is that you need to type 270D and press Alt X all together. And here, this method you can easily type handwriting symbol in MS Word. So I'm writing both code here for your convenience. So I hope you understand the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.